Hey guys, it's Ben here, and today I'll be teaching you all about probability, from basic probability to complex probability, and all sorts of different ways to write probability. So, without further ado, let's get to it. We can't learn about probability without knowing what it is. So, probability is the likelihood of something happening. However, I would like to mention that this is not always the exact outcome in real life. Results will vary more often in real life and will not be exact probability. To start us off with an example of basic probability, let's say you and 3 other people entered a raffle that have one random winner. Since there are 4 people, you'd have a 1 in 4 chance of winning, or a 25% chance, which is gotten by dividing 100 by 4. This could also be labeled as 0.25 or unlikely. Now, with verbal labels in probability, things can get a little bit complicated. As you saw, a verbal label is, well, what it seems. It's labeled by words. As you saw in the problem below, we labeled our result as unlikely. That was an example of a verbal label. 50% chance is as likely as unlikely. Greater than 50% chance is likely. Less than 50% chance is unlikely, like before. 0% chance is known as impossible, and 100% chance is known as certain. Simple, right? Alright, now it's time to talk about something called complex probability. Complex probability is when multiple occurrences are brought together into the chance of them happening after one another. This may be hard to grasp your head around at first, but wait till you see this example. You remember that example I just showed you? So yeah, let's say after the first raffle, you wanted to enter that same raffle again. You'd have that 1 in 4 chance still, but you'd have to multiply it by the others since you're doing it twice now. This would lead to a 1 in 16 chance, and that is 4 times as unlikely as the last one. You can keep going with this. Say you wanted to enter it 3 times in a row, you could keep going and you would end up with a whopping 1 in 64 chance. This is highly unlikely, but say you do hit it and you're going to be pretty happy. You can keep doing this for quite a while. 4 times you get 1 in 256, 5 times you get 1 in 1024, and so on, over and over and over. There are a few more terms you'd want to know about probability. An outcome is the result of a test in probability. An event is a set of outcomes. A favorable outcome is the outcome we are focusing on, or the outcome of interest. And finally, an experiment is the testing of probability in real life. These are quite fun to do, and I recommend them because they show you the real life results instead of the estimation of probability. Alright guys, that will wrap up the video, and I hope this helped you understand probability a lot better. This could help lead into a few other sections of math, mainly statistics because of outcomes and chances of outcomes. But for now, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.